We are in the Remington neighborhood of Baltimore City, and we are installing a MOS, a motor operated switch, on a underground residential distribution switchgear. This allows us to operate this switchgear remotely through our operation building through a radio. In the past, we used to have to send a service operator to manually operate the switch handle to restore service, but now with the motor operated switch, we can do it remotely from our operation building. In the past, it would take us between 30 minutes to an hour to restore service that way. This way we can restore service within minutes. So the MOS is just one of the ways that we're improving reliability. We have some distribution reclosers that we're also using that will isolate and automatically restore power to people via our ARS, automated restoration scheme. This allows us to take our customer count from a few thousand down to as few as maybe 20 or 30 during an operation, during a storm. Customers benefit because they're going to have a smaller outage and a shorter duration of the outage if an event does occur.